Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Real-Time Lessons version 1.3, we're going to go over another great new plugin that you might want to try today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now let's take a look. This plugin can be found in the plugin store. And if you choose Available and go down to Real-Time Lessons, you'll want to download and then enable this plugin. I've already done that in this example so that I can have this plugin prepared. If we look at the description for this plugin, it says that it's going to add two commands, Production Start Lesson and Production Grade Lesson. However, an important thing to keep in mind about this plugin is that these options will not appear even if you have the plugin downloaded and enabled, unless you also have the plugin it lists under requirements. It says that we do need to have the Comparison Helper plugin called Compare Files with Highlights downloaded and enabled as well. So in your list of available plugins, you're also going to want to select Compare Files with Highlights, download and enable that plugin as well. Once you have that done, then you can use the Real-Time Lessons plugin. And what this plugin offers you are real-life examples of real-time proceedings that you can practice with. Once you're done with the practice session, you can then use the Grade Lesson option in order to compare your results to the master results for that lesson. Currently, there are 10 lessons available, but we plan to add more in the future. Let's take a look at exactly how this plugin works. So I'm going to go to Production, Start Lesson. And first, I'm given an option of all of the lessons that I've already downloaded. The first time that you open this menu, this window will probably be blank, and that's okay. All you have to do is click Download, and then choose the lessons that you'd like to download for use. Right now, I have Lesson 1A and 1B already downloaded, so those ones are not available in the list. There is an All option that you can select if you'd like to download all of the lessons at once. I'm going to select one of the lessons and press OK. And Eclipse will download the MP3 version of the file, which is audio only. And if there's a video version of it, it will also download the MP4. Once the lesson is finished downloading, it'll be listed in your list of lessons. You can return to download additional lessons if you'd like to. Or if you want to remove a lesson, you can highlight it and press the delete button. Anytime you wish to proceed with a lesson, simply select the desired lesson and press OK. Once I press OK, I'm going to be given the option of doing video and audio or audio only. You can choose whichever you prefer. If you have a separate monitor to watch the video on, then maybe that's the way you want to do it. If you don't, then maybe you prefer audio only. Or maybe you're simply used to practicing with audio only. Whichever option you prefer is correct. I'm going to select one of them and press OK. Real-time automatically begins and the lesson starts. I'm going to pause this for just a second. Each lesson starts with a 10-second countdown so that you can get ready before the audio begins. If you're watching the video, you'll see a visible 10-second countdown before the content actually begins. Once the preceding content begins, all you have to do is write normally. Each lesson is about 20 minutes long, and all of the lessons that are currently available pertain to the same case. So the content is consistent as you move through the lessons. Once you're done with the lesson, all you have to do is press Shift-Alt-T to end real time, and I'm going to open up a lesson that I completed earlier. And so in the lesson that I made earlier, I have about 15 pages of content. And so what I can do now is grade the lesson. So under Production and Start Lesson, there's also a Grade Lesson option. When you download each lesson, it comes with a master version of the document, and by using the Compare Files with Highlights function, it's going to give me a graded lesson that shows me how much content I got right and identifies the places where I've made errors. So I'm going to choose Grade Lesson, and Eclipse is analyzing the document that I wrote, comparing it to the master format, and here it will outline all of the errors that I've made. And at the beginning of the document, it gives me an accuracy breakdown. It tells me how many of the words were accurate and how many word errors I made. Right now, it's only configured to check for word-specific errors rather than punctuation. However, if that's functionality that you or your school desire, that's something that we can put in for you. And so out of 5,945 words, I made 161 errors in this lesson that I did earlier. And you see that each word that was missing is highlighted in green, and each word that I got wrong is listed in red. So as you move through the document, it will outline all of the errors that you made. And so in this case, I wrote one ST for first, but it should have been FIRST. And here it says Dr. Beatrice instead of Dr. Beate Ritz. Each error that you've made will be outlined in this way. And what this allows you to do is repeat the same lesson over and over, and then compare the results that you're getting to track your progress as you get better and better or faster and faster. You can repeat lessons as many times as you'd like. And you can do this to practice, to warm up, or for any other purpose that you would like. It doesn't matter what your input method is, the Realtime Lessons plugin is available and works for all users, whether you're steno or voice. And as we add new files, you'll be able to find them in the download section under Production Start Lesson. Every time you complete a lesson, it will be called the lesson name hyphen the date hyphen the time. This way you can collect your results over time and track your improvement. We hope that you'll give this plugin a try today. And if you have any feedback about it or ideas to improve it, please don't hesitate to let us know. This is a new plugin, and we expect that over time it will change, just like many other plugins have. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you'll give this plugin a try today. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out, and have a great day.